Wafer number 3. So also taking number 3. So position 3 is 3. Wafer number 4 is also 3. We will continue the same way till we read all of them. We reach position 5. 5 was not that much clearer. We will put 5 and the question mark next to it, and we will wait for our device to confirm if it's 5. You will see this at the end of the video, how we can confirm it. We go to position 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Go to position 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We go to position 7. And again, please don't mix it, okay? Just keep it in the same order because you are returning it in the same order as well. So position 9. I know it's not clear in the camera, so no worries. I have taken a clear picture of every single wafer of them, and they will show it to you. Right after now, we finish the reading. So remaining position 10 now, wafer number 10, which I believe is 4. So now guys, we have position 1, 2, position 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5, 5 without it, 6, 3, 7, 1, 8, 2, 9, 4, and 10, 4. This is the reading. Now we will go to confirm our reading.